Mngani yaphi, Mngani yaphi. Yeah. What if God didn't? What if I had never been blessed beyond limit? What if I was always depressed and not living? What if Skotaka Pescaleni was unwritten and all I ever had to reflect was Bob Dylan? Desire just decided to rest and not finish. See, I wasn't up to the test and not winning. Tabalala said in his head he can't hit it, but fair to it's all relative. What if Tyler just decided to wait? What if Kenan couldn't stomach the hate? What if Booga Love had never been saved and still in love with the game? And Tala Talo he fame. What if Eminem not stuck with a 9 to 5? If Chester wasn't playing in the 95? If Philemon my singer was called offside and Doctor was injured, would you have ever seen Barker fly? And Brenda Fassie wasn't obsessed with show business and all that when he wanted was checks and more children. And Castor said you niggas correct, we're not women. And Jabba didn't fog on your vest, they can't subbands this honor. I stand steady on business and everything that I done. I can't imagine my Diba not being a prodigal son. I left Komani with a vision and now I'm back as a Donna. What if Mngani Langa Lucy tell us abangani Mngani Silala sitandazelela nabangani Mngani Wemtaka mama into yaguti we urabina Ngaphandle kwakho Wemtaka mama into yaguti we urabina Ngaphandle kwakho. What if I was younger than Jay and not cheap? What if I was never prepared to love me? What if I was thinking of death and not peace? Cold heart, living with fear and can't breathe. What if I didn't move with the north side? If I had a problem being cool with the horse ride? I couldn't do what we all like. If I never knew you nkulunkulu na madloza. And no Tambo said miss me. I'm focused on my daughters and my son and they miss me. If Zuma wasn't part of the big three, if Solomon Malango had quick feet, if Tico ain't decided to give me a gift, you gotta think about it. What if everybody tried to forgive? If I had not inspired a generation of writers to celebrate Amalanga about Fwetu. Mngani Langa Lucy tell us abangani Mngani Lala sitandazelela nabangani Mngani Wemtaka mama into yaguti we urabina Ngaphandle kwakho